At the East versus West press conference, when Kirill Sarychev talked about becoming the best arm wrestler in the world, looks like he wasn't joking. He's planning to give it all he has to become the best he can in the sport of arm wrestling. He's planning on getting massive, about 160 kilos, and he's also planning to gain most of that muscle mass in his upper body. He thinks that his shape, which we are going to see soon, will be stronger than his 180 kilo shape when he was powerlifting. So we saw Kirill and Valera practice a little bit. I wouldn't really call it some casual practice because looks like they were going all out. But they did hide most of the practice pull from us for whatever reasons. Mostly I've seen that people who say that arm wrestling practice pulls don't mean anything, they are the ones who are protecting and hiding it like it's the most precious thing in their life. I hope this isn't the case with Kirill Sarychev. So from whatever we saw, looks like Valera was dominant on the left arm and Kirill was pretty easily able to take Valera to his losing side, and the practice pull stopped there, but he could have pinned him any time he wanted after that. I was thinking that maybe Valera could have done better in the straps, but then when I rewatched the video, Kirill did offer him the straps. It was Valera who denied that. I wouldn't say there was anything surprising here. If Kirill has the goal to become the best, the strongest, beating Valera even now, that is the least that he should be doing. It's also cool to see him finally be on the offensive side. Like almost all of the times, he's on the defensive trying to hold people on his bicep, and that can be a bad habit if you do that too much in the practice pulls. You need to learn offense as well. So looks like Kirill has all the tools in the world. He's massive, he's tall, long forearm. Let's see if he's able to coordinate all of those assets that he has on the table. Denis Siplenkov was also looking pretty healthy. People seem to be happy about that. The photo that we saw on the thumbnail of the Body Mania video, there was no practice pull like that. So maybe Denis actually practice pulled and he's also trying to hide his practice pulls. We cannot be sure. While analyzing the Hermes Gasparini versus Dave Chaffee match, Michael Todd found out that as soon as Hermes gets a slight disadvantage or discomfort in the referee's grip, he starts to move a lot, he starts to get panicked, he starts to complain. So maybe he's thinking that he can also utilize that fact against Hermes Gasparini in their upcoming match. Michael also saw that Hermes is able to jump into a flop press from any position he wants. He doesn't really need to be on the offensive side to do that. So he must be careful about that. But still, Michael said that I think I know how to beat him. Recently, Michael Todd set a new PR in the pronation side pressure with 108 kilos for multiple reps. And he also set a new PR in the rising exercise, over 64 kilos. Fans are comparing Hermes Gasparini's lift, which was also done with 64 kilos, with Michael Todd's recent PR lift. And looks like Hermes is doing this weight way more comfortably. The setup looks slightly different. Hermes has the buckle more towards his knuckles, but to me, whatever they are doing right now, this looks more of a pronation exercise than the pronation lift itself. Please mention your thoughts in the comment section, like the video, and I'll see you again.